Hello.
Good boy. How about hi?
Hi.
And he's an Eleanor's cockatoo. So Chadwick actually is really, really smart, and we're going to demonstrate that with this little puzzle here.
This is Scooter. Scooter is a lilac-crowned Amazon. She's probably the most shy of our parrots that we have, but she does have a little routine that she does on her perch, and I'm going to show that to you.
Mercer, and Mercer is actually a female blue and gold macaw. Mercer here is about 23 years old, and she actually came from the San Diego Zoo. Mercer's kind of our diva here. She decided a long time ago she's going to get treats no matter what.
This is Cornell. Cornell is a green-winged macaw. Cornell here is the baby of the group. He's only 8 years old now. You can probably already tell he has a lot of energy. Doesn't like to sit still. Is that true? Yes.
There's a kitty. Yeah.
Can you tell everybody what's a pirate say?
Arr.
How about a chicken?
This is Bianchi. He's a blue and gold macaw, and his species is from South America. But Bianchi himself is from San Diego. He came from the zoo when he was 7 months old. He's quite the performer. That's why we have him up front here with his buddy Cornell. What's a duck say?
Quack, quack, quack.
That's a good boy. Can you give us a laugh? Good boy.